Scotty and I'm back with another video. Out here in the greenhouse. It's looking really good. Stuff is thriving. It's December 20th. It's getting close to Christmas. Weather here has been a lot of fog lately, but no snow. There's no snow out here right now, so keeping things warm and alive in the greenhouse. Let's check it out. Alright, let's start over here. So in the last video, I was propagating these Christmas tree branches into little ones. This is going to be a work in progress, but we will stay tuned on that. Moving on down. Little sprouts are thriving. It's been foggy and cold the last week. Hasn't been sunny. These need some sun. The bonsais, as I've mentioned in other videos, do really well. Those are doing good. Let's take a peek up here. And these honeysuckles, I'm just so surprised and impressed with how well they've been growing. You can see the little leaves on them. And when I planted these, you kind of doubt, like, there's no way these little branches are going to grow, and they are. These ones I planted later down the line, but they're growing. So as it's looking, there'll be a lot of honeysuckle vines. Passion flower vines are doing really well. I've had to weed out some of the little clippings that just weren't making it. But this is my first time propagating, and I've learned a lot so far on just the size of clippings that I want that will start to grow and root. Moving on over here, I wanted to get a shot of these passion flowers. These are the first passion flowers that I put up here, so it's awesome to see that they're growing. And then these right here are my giant sunflowers. I'm just growing these in the pots to see how big I can get them during the winter. These are giant sunflowers, the mammoth giant sunflower, and then a giant sunflower that I pollinated myself. So that'll be fun to see how big these get. Moving on over here. This giant sunflower is doing really well. It had some leaf damage earlier when I lost heat in here one night, but I didn't lose the plant, so it's almost touching the bottom. As soon as it does, I think I'm going to go grow it this way, because that'll look really cool. We'll see. Over here, wildflowers are looking good. Peppers. I'm hoping that these two pepper plants here are red bell pepper. I'm hoping that these peppers turn red. We'll see. It's my first time overwintering peppers. Got my habanero. No action on this. Probably just hang out all winter, and then I'll put it outside. Marigolds doing well. Flowers are starting to dry up on there. And this giant sunflower got the most frost damage, unfortunately, but cool thing, there's little sprouts growing where the leaves were that I pulled. And usually if I'm growing a giant sunflower, one of the tricks to the trade to getting giant sunflowers really big is to pull these little shoots that are growing. But I'm actually going to let these grow because it's indoors and the leaves are off of there, so we're going to just let it grow. kale's doing really well. I clipped some of this off the other day for some smoothies. And I completed one of my fairy garden houses. I made this out of glued the little rocks on there. And that is what's going on. Okay, now I remember what I made the fairy house out of. A gourd. The gourd, it was slipping my mind, but this is made out of a birdhouse gourd. And I've got a couple other ones going on. My daughter did this one. I'm going to do another one with this. Make some other ones because they're really cool. I have some other ideas for fairy garden homes also. But that's a little tour of what's going on now. I'm going to be doing another batch of some seed trays here soon. In fact, let's get the ladder and move it over here to check these other ones out. Okay, so this is a tray of black-eyed Susans. If you watched my previous videos, I had a bunch of these. I had over 130 seeds initially started, but not many of them popped. So this is the first run, and I'm going to get more of these and do more of them because I like those and I want to have a bunch of them. And then strawberries are doing good. And that is what's going on in the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. It would be great. Thanks for watching. I'll do another video shortly.